Now, what is a test pipe, you may be asking? All a test pipe is a section of piping that replaces your car's factory catalytic converter. Now, why would we want to do this? For one, this car's got 186,000 miles on the body, so the cats in this thing are pretty clogged up, which is bad for power, bad for fuel efficiency, and just bad for the car's overall flow in general. So today, we're going to be completely bypassing that emission software. Our car will be able to breathe better, make a couple extra horsepower, and should hopefully sound pretty decent while doing it. All right, it's time for the first cold start.
Yeah, sounds pretty fucking good.